mag-vibe ng tama. Let's talk about vibration for this particular video. So, good vibes, bad vibes, low vibes, high vibes, for all our vibrations. So, again, Nikola Tesla, ulit babangkitin ko, favorite ko yun. Actually, nickname ko Nico rin. But anyways, again, Nikola Tesla once said, everything is made out of energy, frequency, and vibration. So with that in mind, let's learn how to vibe up. So with regards to vibration, everyone that you see around us is vibrating at a certain frequency. And marahil, ikaw mismo nakapansin. Depende sa taong namimit mo if good vibes ba sila or bad vibes. Kumbaga, kahit di ka pa nila kinakausap, alam mo na ano ang vibes nila. So that is a subtle way of feeling how they are vibrating. So that is their current reality right now. So because their inner world is at a low vibrational state, they could be at anger, grief, anxiety, panic. So other people will feel it right away kahit pa hindi sila nagsasalita. So, and in return, kung ano man kanilang inner reality, it will also reflect on their outside reality. Now, we are trying to learn how to manifest. So, an important skill that we should learn is to observe our current mood, because our current mood and our current outlook in life, our inner world, is what dictates our inner vibrations. And our inner vibrations create our reality. So, with that in mind, we want to keep a vibrational state that is high, mataas. So, when we say high vibes, kumbaga, these are the vibrations that are good. So, it could be happy, full of love, full of hope, and ang pinakamataas, again, is enlightened, a person who has completely understood these particular concepts. So, kumbaga, we call them as enlightened ones. So, this is the highest state of vibration that you can achieve. And with regard to this particular vibration naman, when you are at this specific vibration, kumbaga sobrang taas sa vibration, enlightened, it is easier to manifest things. But don't worry if you are not enlightened, it's fine. It doesn't matter because your inner vibration will also dictate how you manifest good things into your life. So, but for this one, let's try to focus how to keep your vibrations up. So, in order for us to keep our vibrations up, it's very important that we heal our inner world. So, most likely, you have experienced a bad day, a bad week. So, it all stems to parts of ourselves that is unhealed. So, kapag naglo-low vibes tayo, our inner world is telling us that this part of us needs to be healed. So, we need to fix it. So, the only way for us to fix it is to confront our inner low vibes. And some say our inner demon. So, we need to confront it and show it na it no longer has us in its grip. So, kumbaga, another technique that I use for this particular one is shadow work. So, what does shadow works means? It's us confronting our shadow. So, shadow works is a coin term by Carl Jung. So, he is a psychologist. Kumbaga, para siyang protege ata ni Sigmund Freud. So, siya nag-coin ito. So, everyone has a shadow. So, these particular shadows are the bad aspects of us. Not really bad naman, pero kumbaga it's a dark side of us. As the saying goes, it's our shadow. So with light, there's also shadows. So in order for us to maintain a high vibration state, we need to confront our shadows. So we need to confront unhealed parts of our psyche. So for me, the easiest way to do it is just observe it. Don't react. Hayaan mo lang. If ever na you feel like panicking, or if you are in a state of anxiety, try to sit still and relax and observe it. And as mentioned, you heal it through meditation. So if you're in a state of panic, do breathing exercises. So again, breathe in, breathe out. And another technique that I would like you to practice is belly breathing. It's filling our tummies with air. So once you fill your tummy with air and you breathe slowly, it relaxes your system. And if ever that you have a panic attack or a low vibrational state or galit na galit ka, you can also do this. So hopefully this session has helped you and meron kang natutunan something, diba? So again, see you on my next vid, and please do like and subscribe. And again, all the glory is His, all the wisdom is His. Thank you. Bye-bye, guys.